Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, you're highly welcome. So today we're going to be learning how to make a beaded bag handle. So the first thing you want to do is pass in 3 bead balls into your fishing line, and then you cross with one like so. So you want to be cutting about 15 to 20 inches of fishing line, which you can also add in the process of making the bead handle. Just like that. Then you pass in the bead, one bead by the right hand side and the other by the left hand side, and you cross with one. Basically the same method of making a bead bag. Repeating the same thing, one bead by the left hand side, another bead by the right hand side, that's through the string, and then you cross with one, just like that. So basically you want to continue with this same method so you've gotten to the desired length of your bead bag handle. So I'm going to be going about 30 to 31 rows here. So after you've gotten desired length of the first row, now you turn. You put two beaded ball on one string and then one beaded ball on the other string, which you use to cross just like this for you to turn. And then you want to repeat the same thing, 2 beaded ball on the same string you did before, just like this, 2 beaded ball on the left hand side, then 1 beaded ball to cross with, just like that. And then you achieve your perfect turning. So now to continue, you pass your left hand string through the side of the bead, just like that. Then you put in 1 beaded ball on the left hand, or should I say the right hand, turn the other way like so, and then 1 bead ball to cross like that. Repeat the same thing again. Pass your string, instead of putting the beaded ball one on the left, one on the right, you'll be passing the string, one of the string through the side of the bead, replacing the 1 beaded ball, and then you add one on the other string and then 1 to cross, just like that. Now I've achieved the desired length of my beaded bag handle. So now to close it up, the first thing you want to do is to try to fold it just like this. So we're only working with 2 rows of the net, or the matting rather, 2 rows. So the first thing you want to do now is to pass your string. Leave like some few spaces because of the way we are attaching the bead bag handle to the bag itself. So I think I'll be leaving about 4 or 5. Yeah, see where I'll be starting, just like that. Then you pass in your string. I've already put in 1 beaded ball. Pass in your left hand string with the beaded ball in it, and then the second side just like that. So do not forget to put in one beaded ball before you pass it in, and then one to cross. So this replaces the two sides of the balls you're supposed to put in. So you just be putting one to cross. You pass in your string through the left hand side, the right hand side, and then one to cross, just like that. So passing it in now through one side, and then the other through the other side, just like that, and then one beaded ball to cross. So you want to repeat the same process throughout the matting, or should I say the closing up process, and then don't forget to leave the space at the other end too. So we basically got into the end now, so you can see how it is. You see that two ends are open, you can see that. So now I'm going to be closing it up now. So to lose your string, that's to get rid of your string, you just want to pass it basically throughout the matted bead and then cut it off. So for the final one now, cross it just like that, and then you can basically tie it up. Make sure the two sides are equal. So if you're leaving 5 rows of open space, you want to make sure you're also leaving 5 rows of open space in the other side. So now I'm getting rid of the string, so I'm just going to pass it through till it's completely, or it's very short. Then I'll tie it up and cut off the excess. Well, the beaded bag handle is complete. So if you enjoyed my tutorial, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.